Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to earn free Bitcoin in your Trust wallet or your Binance wallet. This is free because there's no investment required and you don't need to pay anything to earn this. The only thing that you need to do is total devotion and hard work. That is it. Making money online demands your total devotion. This can be done anywhere you are in the world. You can earn a lot from this, guys, but you need to follow me through so you know all the tricks. Before we start, make sure you consider liking my video, make sure you comment and subscribe if you have not, and make sure you hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new content. Without wasting much time, let's start. So the site that we'll be using today is called coinpayu.com. So open your browser and enter coinpay.com. And then when you enter, this is actually a crypto wallet or cryptocurrency rewarding platform that gives you offers and then pay you. So you just perform one or two offers and then you are being paid. So all that you need to do is just tap on join free. Now, when you tap on join free, make sure you fill this form, your username, your email, password, and then you make sure you complete the captcha and then you register. I already have an account, so I will just tap on login. Now, if you want to log in, you just have to complete this captcha. So you drag the number to this side to answer the question. Now, when you sign in and the account is open to you, you realize that I've been able to earn 16 Satoshi into my account. Now let's look at how we'll be able to earn from this particular website. Mind you, you are going to earn a crypto called Satoshi, which you can use and then you can convert into Bitcoin and then you withdraw into your Trust wallet or any other wallet that you are using. So in order to earn, you need to be consistent and hardworking. That is the only way you'll be able to earn. So what we need to do now is let's start the work. Just tap on the menu here and go to view art. Now we have so many art that you can view. We have self art, window art, article art, video art. So which one, the one that you prefer, you just pick it. So I'll go for self art. And then when you click on self art, you have 33 art that you can click. So anytime that you perform or watch any, you click on any ad, you are given a reward. These are some of the rewards. So this one, if you complete, you have 5.7 Satoshi. If you also complete this one, you have 4.5, 3.7. So if you're able to complete all these things, you earn all these in a day. Just 15 seconds, 15 seconds. Maximum is 30 seconds. You'll be able to earn all these Satoshi into your account. All right. So after performing your tax and then you get your account credited. So to withdraw, you need to fill your wallet or withdrawal wallet. Just go to your Trust wallet, copy your BTC address, and then you paste it here. And then you click on next. So you wait for a few seconds to get an email, and then you confirm your email by using a code that will be sent to you. So confirm your code. And then go back to your dashboard. Tap on withdraw. So you put in the amount that you wish to withdraw. Automatically the address will be here. And then you confirm the withdrawal here in order to withdraw into your BTC. So after everything, you click on confirm. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my account if you are new here. Hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new content. Be the first to get my content and learn or let's make money online. So guys, make sure you also comment because it matters most to me.